To stay on top in manufacturing, to monitor all your machines to avoid any unplanned downtime, you need more than regular IoT. You need connectivity without wires. A network where every sensor increases your coverage without extra infrastructure. A network you can install yourself at 2 minutes per machine without shutting down your business. An infinitely scalable, low-power network that never fails, with self-adjusting battery-powered devices, sending data 24/7 with more than 5 years battery life, connecting thousands and thousands of devices in business-critical applications, while keeping core assets and data 100% secure at your own premises. In other words, you need Wirepas to let you concentrate on your business and the benefits. Prevent your production bottlenecks with real-time data, optimize production performance in your own private network, without middlemen or expensive subscriptions. A seriously scalable, reliable and affordable sensor network that connects all of your machines and handles itself, even in the harshest industrial environments filled with metal and machinery. For you, that means better business. For us, it's just the way we do things. To give you very, very good IoT. Wirepas. Very, very good IoT.